Yelling off the balcony, late July, just waiting for your friends to leave. And finally, so can we. In the back of the car, trying to stay awake, I can tell from the stars that we're out of LA. With your hand hanging out the window like you're riding on a wave. I'm no good at goodbyes, we're always running away. I've been looking for love in the distance, down the sidewalks, the cities I visit, up the coast looking for something different. All along you were there, but I missed it. I don't know what it is, but I feel good about it. All the time, just waiting for your friends to leave. And finally, so can we.